Good morning, everyone. Let's talk about how to speak in English. And you are welcome in today's session. So, if you are new on the channel, please do subscribe the channel and share and like the video. We are here to guide you, we are here to teach you, we are here to tell you or to counsel you that how to speak in English, and we will train you better that you can speak in English. So, today we will talk about public speaking. I have seen so many people the fear of public speaking because of poor communication skills. But how you can improve your communication skills if you really want to become a good public speaking? You want to become a good public speaker. Like if you talk about the schools, there are so many activities happen in the school where you get the chance to come in front of the other students and you have to speak in a topic. So this is a public speaking. Or in your college that you have the chance to anchoring a show where you need a proper communication skills. When I went to school in a boarding school in Shimla, so I saw over there 8th class student from a Bishon Cotton school was speaking like a marvelous English, and I have went in the Lawrence school also, which is in the Sanevar. That I have seen the students over there, they are speaking very well English in their schools programs. So if you really want to speak in English like those who are good in English, like if you see the examples of anyone, if you see the videos of those who are speaking in English in very well, so you can improve, but you have to improve by your own self. Nobody can make you better. It is only you who can improve better, and you have to improve yourself if you really want to speak in English. So today we will talk about the public speaking skills, the communication skills, how we can make better. So the first thing which you should do if you really want to be good in public speaking, or you want to speak in English and improve your communication skill, you have to record your own voice at least for 5 minutes. And you have to record your own voice, you have to record your own video. You have to just settle down a camera in front of you and try to speak in English, even if you do not have the words, but you have to speak at least for the 5 or 10 minutes. You, as much as English you know, you should speak. As much as your other mother tongue you know, you can speak in your mother tongue, but you have to speak in front of the camera to improve your communication skills. And that is the one. And watch your own video, listen your own voice so that you can improve tomorrow. Today you will do, so tomorrow you will be improved. That is the main thing which you can bring in your communication skills level. If you will not do, you will not improve, but if you will do, so you will improve definitely, 100% sure. Now the turns come on. Second thing, you have to speak in front of the mirror. Try to speak in front of the mirror, and you should also make the video of your activity. You should speak in front of the mirror. Try to speak at least for 5 to 10 minutes in English. If you do not have the words, if you are having the issue, so you can also add on your mother tongue. So you should just have to speak, and you have to bring a confidence inside you. So now talk about the basic skills, what you can do, basic skills, rather than doing these activities to improve your communication and your public speaking. Because of to train you, we are here to train you about your communication skills. Now the second thing I would like to tell you about the basic skills is that reading. Everyone will tell you, will guide you, and will train you that reading is a must do activity. If you will see, the most of the public speakers, those who are good in public speaking, they have the habit of reading. We have seen in so many literature festival, the people are speaking and they are encouraging that reading should be there. What is happening nowadays, the social media has taken more in our life, so reading habit is being decreasing. So you should have to increase your reading habit if you want to become a good communication skills. If you want to improve your communication skills, so you have to work on the reading. You can read newspaper, you can read on Kindle, or you can read any other book, whatever bestseller you like. So you just have to read for the 30 minutes. Second thing, what you can do is writing. You should write every day at least 500 words. You can write down from the newspaper, take an article and just write down. So your mind will start thinking English and your activity will be improved, and you will see that after the 30 days that how improvement you will see in yourself, in your public speaking, in your communication skills. Other thing you can do is listen English media. Listen any English news channel like the BBC or any other news channel, you can listen. And the fun thing, the main thing over there, the speaking. You have to try to speak in English and make your own video, listen your own voice and try to speak in front of the mirror, so that you can see yourself that how you are speaking, how you are pronouncing the words. So these things is really gonna help you. So today we will do some little exercise. I will just read a sentence and you have to speak with me for your communication skills and public speaking exercise. I would like to have a coffee in the Taj Hotel, Mumbai. You should also repeat with me. I would like to have a dinner in the Hotel Oberoi, Mumbai. So these are the two sentences which I have read, which I have speak, and you should also try to repeat these sentences. So try to make the sentences in English in your mind and just started thinking English, but this will only happen if you do these basic exercises, which is very much important if you really want to speak in English, if you really want to be good in public speaking and you want to give a good impression. As well as I would like to tell you that there are so many opportunities which you can trigger by your help of good communication skills. First of all, corporate jobs. About the corporate jobs, I would like to tell you that MNCs are there in India, but they prefer the good communication skills. They prefer your basic knowledge about you are BTech or you are MBA or you are a BCom or MCom from the Delhi University, but they also prefer the communication skills, for which you should improve your communication skills so that you can survive in these companies and you can earn more money. If you will talk about, there are so many companies over there like the big four, the PwC, EY and the KPMG.